So the wonderful... Hi guys, it's Nicole Veronica here, back with another video. I hope you're all well and keeping safe. For today's video, I have something I'm so excited to do. I am going to be reviewing snacks. I'm literally so excited. So excited. The wonderful Snackverse sent me this box of snacks to try and review in my video. I'm so happy because I'm such a snack girl. I love crisps, chocolate, sweets, everything. Savory, sweet, I'm always snacking on something. So this is right up my alley. Like always, please make sure that you like, comment and subscribe. Comment down below any video suggestions or questions, things you'd like to see in the next video. I'm always looking for ideas and things. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So the amazing Snackverse have sent me this mystery box and it is all snacks from Greece. So this is so exciting. I've never been to Greece. I've always wanted to go to Greece. So here's my little taste of Greece. And they give you this little booklet and it has the snacks, a little bit of history from Greece, which is really cool to have. And then it gives you the kind of what the snacks are. I do apologize for my pronunciation. I do not know a word of Greek and I'm dyslexic, so not the best combination, and I will try my best with the pronunciations and the sounds of the words, but it's good to have this to sort of know what I'm going to be working with. How I'm going to do this is I'm going to try the snacks, I'm going to review them out of 5, whether I'd have again, and just sort of describe them. And I'm going to use the guide to tell you guys what snacks I will be eating. First and foremost, I want something savoury. I want to start savoury. So I'm going to try these. These are called Mini Pick crackers. These say that they are barbecue flavoured crackers. So I'm very excited to try these. Ooh, they're like cute little like mini, they're like Cheez-Its or like mini crackers. They're really good. Wow. I would definitely snack on these. I had to like restrain myself from like eating them all. Really yummy. They're like a dense little mini cracker, a nice little savoury snack alternative to having crisps. And I would rate the Mini Pick crackers, I would rate them, I'll say a 3.5 out of 5. Next thing I'm going to try are these Pick Bâtonnets. And it looks like it's from a similar, I think it's the same brand as the crackers. I've eaten something which looks slightly similar to these growing up in the UK. So I'm excited to try them. They've got sesame seeds around them. These are unique, timeless, salty sesame sticks that can be eaten out of the packet or accompany your drinks. I will rate the Pick Bâtonnets a 2 out of 5, only because they're just a little bit bland for me. I like a little bit kind of like salty, more salty flavour and a bit more of a crunch, but I would still eat them. Next thing I'm going to try is called the Jumbo Chips Oregano, and these are thin cut, crispy, crunchy potato crisp covered in delicious oregano seasonings. The packaging is so cool. I love seeing like different packaging across the world, and I'm guessing this bit is like the oregano and then it's in a different language. I'd love to know, any Greek people out there or anyone who can speak Greek, I'd love to know what this means. It'd be really cool. Whoa, let's see. It just tastes like a herby crisp, and I would eat them. Is it oregano or oregano? I don't know, but it's a tastes herby. I would rate these a 2 out of 5. I would definitely eat them again because I love crisps, but I don't know if I'd like actively go out my way to choose them as a flavour, because I prefer kind of either like more of like a salty or like a spicy type of herb if I was to get a herb. My mouth is a little bit dry, so I'm going to wash it down with this drink, which I'm really excited to try. This is called the Lux Sour Cherry, and it is one of the most popular Greek soft drinks. Enjoy this refreshing drink in sour cherry. Exciting. I'm excited to open it. Ooh, wow, that's really good. Wow, I really like that. Wow.
That is bloody lovely.
It's the perfect level of sweet and sour. A tiny bit fizzy, like not too overpowering with the fizziness. Definitely I would buy this again, and yeah, definitely something I would pick up. I'm gonna rate this 5 out of 5 stars. Now for something else sweet, but for the food element, I'm gonna try these biscuits. Really beautiful packaging with the lovely biscuity design. These are called Miranda biscuits. They are traditional Greek biscuits that combine delicious taste with memories of childhood. That is really sweet. So sweet. Let's open and see. Okay. Oh, a bit crumbly. Beautiful design. Reminds me of the like outer casings of the custard creams in the UK. Oh, that is lovely. So good. It's a good biscuit. I'd rate 4.5 out of 5. I would definitely have again. I can imagine having those biscuits with a cup of tea, just dunking them in. Really delicious. The next thing I'm going to try is this. I haven't got the foggiest as to what this is. It is a very beautiful packaging. I love the colours. This is called the Macedonian Havla, a healthy traditional Greek snack made of tahini crushed sesame paste. Interesting. Let's see. Wow. Oh my god, I did not expect it to look like this. Whoa, guys, look. Wow. Interesting. Okay. Bit nervous to try this one. Interesting texture. It's like it's I've never had anything like it. The texture and the taste, can't really describe it. It's just like crushed sesame, but like maybe like I don't know how you describe the texture. This is not something that I would enjoy or voluntarily choose to eat, so I'm gonna give it a 0.5 out of 5 because I didn't really like it very much. The next thing I'm gonna try is these. I love sweets. I'm a big sweets gal, and this looks like something that I would buy. These are called Gum On Strawberry Jellies, soft strawberry shaped jelly sweets with real intense strawberry flavour, which will satisfy even the sweetest of cravings. So let's open. Ooh. I can actually manage to open these. Oh, cute. It smells lovely of strawberry. They're kind of hard. They're hard though.
5 hours later.
These are yummy. Just very chewy, but very delicious. I mean, cute packaging. Really cute packaging. I would rate these 4.5 out of 5. They'd be a 5 out of 5 for me if they weren't as chewy. I feel like I was going to take my tooth out while I was chewing that. But very, very delicious nonetheless. Next thing I'm going to try is this. I'm loving the cool packaging. They do it very cool in Greece. I'm obsessed. This is the Ion Derby Classic Bar. Giving me like Lion Bar vibes, or like the Boost Bar, or like 2-decker, like double decker. It's giving me double decker kind of vibes. It says that this has a rich coconut filling, which I'm a big fan of because I love coconut. The inside, there's like lots of like different textures going on. This is good. I'll give this a 5 out of 5 because it's like a perfect level of chocolateness. Perfect level of chocolatiness with the coconut, and I love coconut. Yeah, it was really nice, and the packaging is really, really cool. So I give that a 5 out of 5. Next chocolatey thing I'm going to try is a chocolatey wafer. Really, really snazzy packaging. Really, really cool. So this is dark chocolate, a dark chocolate wafer. So it just looks like this. Very cool. Coated with Pavlidis chocolate, and it says apparently this has been popular for many years. The wrapper does sort of look timeless, more of like a classic sort of old-fashioned-y wrapper. I can imagine these being really nice, dipping them in tea or like coffee or something. Really delicious. I'm gonna give these a 5 out of 5 as well. Last chocolatey thing I'm going to try is called the 7 Days Cake Bar. It says it's soft, light, melt in your mouth cake with a delicious sweet vanilla filling topped with a drizzle of dark chocolate. Exciting. And it's this. We have similar things that look like this in the UK, but let's see about the taste. Yeah, this looks, we have sort of like similar packaging type things in the UK. So this is what it looks like. And then it's got like the cream in the middle. Exciting. That was nice. I would rate this a 3 out of 5. I would have it again, but I wouldn't choose to have it again. I wouldn't go out my way to have it because it's not as fluffy and soft as I was expecting, but still nice and sweet. It's easy in the little wrappers to give yourself a bit of sugar. Final thing I'm trying is called the Piccolo Ouzo, and these are hard candies with the taste of ouzo, which is a licorice flavoured liqueur that has been favourites in Greece for centuries. There are. I left these to the end because I was like, they look like a hard candy, so let's see. I could buy them. They were okay, but licorice is one of those things. It's such a distinct taste. You either love it or you hate it. I like it, but it was just like a weird texture. It was like a kind of a jelly texture, and you bite and there was a crunch. I'd rate those a 2 out of 5. I'd definitely have them again, but not my favourite hard sweet. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This was such a fun video to record, and once again thank you so much to Snackverse for sending me the box. I'm really, really grateful. It's so lovely to have a taste of Greece, even though I hadn't been before. Try their different snacks and things, and I'm obsessed. It was so much fun to film. If you are interested in getting a snack box every month from all around the world, visit the Snackverse website, and they've got all the information there about signing up to get a box each month. You can get different sizes. You can get like a small box, you can get a bigger box, depending on how many snacks you want and how much you want to pay. So definitely all my foodies, all my snack lovers out there, head over to Snackverse to make sure you can get your snack box. Like always, make sure you are subscribed. Give this video a massive like. Also make sure you head over to Snackverse and see what they're all about with their snacks and their monthly snack boxes. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.